A river held behind a dam doesn't forget how to flow. What is the takeaway here? When the blockage lifts, movement returns naturally without force. Hi, I'm Phillip Daffara, futurist, architect and poet, sharing insights from my upcoming book on the emergent laws of regenerative power. Here is Law 36, Release what blocks flow. This law restores energy, clarity and regenerative momentum by letting go of what no longer serves life. From a holistic perspective, flow is the natural state of living systems. Blockage requires effort to maintain. When we stop gripping outdated strategies, identities or desires, energy returns instantly to what wants to emerge. In Buddhist Vipassanā practice, suffering is traced not to experience itself, but to clinging and resistance. Practitioners sit and observe sensations arise and pass without grasping or pushing away. When the grip relaxes, awareness clears and energy moves again. This isn't withdrawal from action, it's wiser action. By releasing attachment to how things should be, leaders respond more effectively to how things are. Non-attachment restores flow within the self and through the systems we shape. As Thich Nhat Hanh teaches, letting go gives us freedom, and freedom is the only condition to happiness. This reminds us that release is not loss, but liberation. If you're ready to release what's draining your energy and blocking momentum, take action. Let's explore the power of restored flow and regenerative clarity. Reach out and let's co-create regenerative futures together.